Okay, we're like super fast, so we're super close to breaking this thing, this thing with this guy and this guy. So what we're gonna do is a little bit of skipping. That's 10 seconds. Okay, I'm not gonna do that anymore. I was literally trying to get a prismatic quasar. That's it. And I was literally about to go from my room. Was like going down from my bed and like going, and then I heard it. I was like, what? And then I see this thing. Maybe Mother Fortuna was a good thing. Okay, wait. I wanna mind this myself. 3, 2, 1. We're gonna get divine. My computer is not gonna survive this. Wait, did it dupe? It did not dupe. But I don't care. I don't care. Yeah, Dennis, yeah. Discord. Yap all you want. It is. Oh gosh. It is not rendering at all. Oh no. Oh no, it's not rendering at all. Oh, this is bad. Oh, this is bad. I'm just gonna skip when it will render, actually. Bro, I have been waiting for like 3 minutes now. Maybe even more. It's not doing anything. Hello? I think it just takes a long time. Because it's not loading for them. So maybe. Imagine if I get a nail and it's just gonna like load for an hour. Oh gosh, I don't wanna wait for an hour. That's gonna suck. Wait, emote wheel. I need emote. Hello? Wait, emote wheel. Where's... Hello? Yes, hello. Good. I'm just gonna now skip when it's gonna load. Okay, Russian Zenithal Boxer just typed no explosion. But why? Why is there no explosion? How do I say that? No, that's not gonna work. Wait. I have an idea. Oh, wait, what? Oh, wait. What was that? Huh? That was strange. I'm gonna wait. I think I got robbed. There's no explosion. Literally. There's nothing. Even if I press reload like a bunch of times, it's just not gonna do anything. Okay, maybe. Wait. Come on. Why does it not do anything? Why? I don't understand. Did something happen? What? Why did it not do anything? Maybe I have to place it. And then break it again. I don't know. Maybe that will do something. Yeah, I got robbed. There's nothing happening. Well, But now, I don't know.